Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So you are waiting for my video, isn't it? So thank you all for liking and subscribing my channel. So I'm getting very positive comments, so thank you all. So today I'm starting worksheet 1 of class 10 physics, reflection of light at curved surfaces. This is a chapter and the topic is concave and convex mirror vocabularies. Okay, so now we'll start with definitions here. Okay, so few terms related to spherical mirrors. So first one is pole of mirror. So what is a pole of mirror? Geometrical center or midpoint of mirror is called as the pole of mirror. Okay, and it is denoted by capital P. So in this diagram you can see here pole of mirror. So this diagram is a pole of the convex mirror. So here the painted part is inner. Okay, so if the painted part is in the inner side, it is known as the convex mirror. Okay, so if the painted part is outside, okay, outside the curve, then it is known as the concave mirror. So I am showing you the pole of the convex mirror. So here this is the pole of the convex mirror. Okay, so जो पेंटेड पार्ट होता है, अगर वो पेंटेड पार्ट अंदर होता है तो उसको हम कहते हैं पोल ऑफ द मिरर ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. ओके, सो अगर वो पेंटेड पार्ट जो शेडेड पार्ट है यहाँ पर, तो अगर वो पेंटेड पार्ट बाहर की तरफ होता है तो हम उसे पोल ऑफ द मिरर ऑफ द कॉन्केव मिरर कहते हैं. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर प्लेन स्फीयर दिया गया हो जहाँ पर शेडेड पार्ट नहीं है या फिर पेंटेड पार्ट नहीं है, तो यू कैन टेक लेफ्ट साइड एज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. लेफ्ट आर्क मीन्स लेफ्ट कर्व विल बी देयर ना, that you can take as convex mirror, and right curve you can take it as concave mirror if painted part or shaded part is not given. Okay, so pole of the mirror over. The next one here, this is a concave mirror. This is the pole of the concave mirror. So here the shaded part, okay, the painted part is outside the curve. Okay, it is outside, so it is known as the pole of the concave mirror. Okay, so here sometimes the shaded part, okay, the shaded part can be given in the previous diagram which I have shown you. Okay, but the shaded part, if it is given outside, then it is the pole of the concave mirror. Okay, so this is how you have to remember concave and the convex mirror. Okay, so if we are taking mirror as a sphere, अगर हम मिरर को स्फीयर लेते हैं तब हमें ये कंसिडर करना है. Okay, so our next definition is center of curvature. So center of curvature, what is the center of curvature? So center of the sphere to which the concave or convex mirror belongs to is called the center of curvature, and it is denoted by capital C. Okay, so here you can see this in the diagram. Okay, you can see this in the diagram. So here the shaded part is on the outer side. Okay, so this here in the second diagram the shaded part is in the inner side. Okay, so here the center of curvature for both is same here. Okay, so center of curvature कॉन्केव और कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का यहाँ पर सेम है. ओके, जो सेंटर का पॉइंट होता है उसे हम सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर कहते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पर भी हम मिरर को स्फीयर कंसिडर करते हैं. ओके, so we are taking sphere here as a mirror. Okay, so now our next definition is now radius of curvature. So what is the radius of curvature? So distance between pole of the mirror and the center of curvature is called as radius of curvature. So we know pole of the mirror is denoted by capital P and center of curvature is denoted by capital C. So the distance and this radius of curvature is denoted by capital R. Okay, so the distance between the pole of the mirror and the radius of curvature. Okay, and it is known as the radius of curvature. So this you can see in this diagram. Okay, So P, and between P and C you can see here the radius of curvature. So here I am not I'm not painting any part, okay, I'm not shading it, okay, just for example, okay, I'm drawing this and showing you how you have to see the radius of curvature. Okay, always the radius of curvature is between C and P. Okay, सो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर क्या होता है, पोल ऑफ द मिरर और सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर का जो डिस्टेंस होता है उसको हम रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर कहते हैं, और इसको हम कैपिटल आर से डिनोट करते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पर मैंने शेड नहीं किया है, इसको जस्ट रैंडमली मैंने ड्रॉ किया है आपको बताने के लिए. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू learn principal axis. So what is a principal axis? So the horizontal line which passes through the center of curvature and pole is called principal axis of the mirror. Okay, so principal axis क्या होता है, ये horizontal line होती है जो center of curvature और pole को के पास से गुजरती है. Okay, it is known as the principal axis of the mirror. Okay, so this is here you can see the horizontal line. Okay, you can see here in the concave mirror and also in the convex mirror. So here the shaded part is light here. Okay, it is very light in this diagram. Okay, so here it can be given like this also. So here then multiple choice question, then we are having now multiple choice questions. Okay, so the first question is look at the adjacent diagram and choose the correct one from below. Okay, so you have to see the diagram and you have to find out this, you have to label this diagram. So what is x here? X is pole. Okay, so what is y here? Y is the center of curvature. And what is z here? Z is the principal axis. So principal axis is the horizontal line which passes through the pole and center of curvature. Okay, so here the answer is A here. So यहाँ पर ये जो आपको जो डायग्राम दिया गया है आपको उसको देखकर लेबल करना है उस डायग्राम को. सो यहाँ पर एक्स क्या होता है? पोल होता है. वाई सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर होता है. जेड प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस होता है. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज ज्योमेट्रिक सेंटर ऑफ मिरर इज. सो ज्योमेट्रिक सेंटर ऑफ मिरर को हम क्या कहते हैं? सो व्हाट इज द नेम, अदर नेम ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक सेंटर ऑफ मिरर? ओके, एज आई टोल्ड यू, ओके, इट इज़ द पोल ऑफ द मिरर. Okay, so geometric center is the pole of the mirror. So now center of sphere from which mirror is made. So it is the center of curvature again. Okay, so it is the center. The answer is here C. Center of sphere from which mirror is made. So in spherical mirror, CRP respectively refers to. So what does CRP refers to here? CRP refers to, that is pole, then radius of curvature, then center of curvature. Okay, so first comes here pole, radius of curvature, then center of curvature. Okay, so here the answer is A here. Okay, so first we'll take pole, then radius of curvature, then center of curvature. So now why do we call, first now assessment. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ वाई डू वी कॉल कॉन्केव एंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर्स एज स्पेरिकल मिरर्स. क्यों हम कॉन्केव और कॉन्वेक्स मिरर को स्पेरिकल मिरर्स कहते हैं? सो वाई डू वी कॉल इट एज? सो टेक अ रबर बॉल. ओके, यू हैव टू टेक अ रबर बॉल एंड कट अ पोर्शन ऑफ इट विथ नाइफ. ओके, यू हैव टू कट अ पोर्शन of that ball with a knife. Okay, so now you can see this in this diagram. Okay, so be careful. Okay, so take the help from your elder, okay, while cutting. So now here the inner surface of the cut piece of the ball is called concave surface and the outer surface of it is called convex surface. Okay, so if the reflecting surface of a mirror is concave, it is called concave mirror. If a reflecting surface is convex, then it is called as a convex mirror. First one is the concave mirror and second one is the convex mirror. So उस बॉल को जब हम कट करते हैं, जो इनर पीस होता है बॉल का, उसे हम कॉन्केव मिरर कहते हैं और जो आउटर पीस होता है उसे हम कॉन्वेक्स मिरर कहते हैं. सो हियर एनी कॉन्वेक्स और कॉन्केव मिरर इज ए पार्ट ऑफ स्फीयर, हेंस दीज मिरर्स आर कॉल्ड स्पेरिकल मिरर्स. Now second question is draw the diagram of convex mirror. So you have to draw the diagram of convex mirror. So it is very easy. So what you have to do, for drawing the diagram of this convex mirror, what you have to do, you have to do the shaded part, okay, inside the mirror. Okay, so inside the curve, means inside the sphere. So here you can see on the left side there is one shaded part. Okay, so you have to draw the center of curvature, pole and principal axis and radius of curvature in it. Okay, so you have to draw from center of curvature, you have to draw a circle and you have to name it as center of curvature, and you have to mark pole, principal axis and also radius of curvature. Okay, and you have to paint the inner part. Okay, you have to paint the inner part. So for concave mirror, what you have to do, you have to paint the outer part. Okay, so same diagram you have to draw, but you have to paint the outer part. Okay, you have to shade the outer part. कॉन्केव मिरर के लिए आपको आउटर पार्ट पेंट करना है, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के लिए आपको इनर पार्ट पेंट करना है. ओके, डायग्राम विल बी द सेम. ओके, सो कॉन्केव और कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का डायग्राम सेम रहेगा. सो थर्ड वन इज ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ showing radius of curvature and principal axis for a concave mirror. So again you have to draw the diagram showing radius of curvature and principal axis for a concave mirror. Same here also you have to draw a diagram of concave mirror. Again concave mirror के लिए आपको outer part shade करना है. Then you have to label the part. Okay, radius of curvature and principal axis you have to show it. Okay, then what is the fourth one? Fourth one is explain how concave and convex mirror are formed. Concave और convex mirror कैसे form होते हैं? So now spherical mirrors are the mirrors having curved surfaces that are painted on one of the sides. So always the spherical mirrors are the mirrors which are having curved surfaces. We know this. They are always having a curved surfaces, but they are painted on one of the sides. Okay, तो स्फेरिकल मिरर्स ऐसे मिरर होते हैं जो कर्व्ड होते हैं और एक साइड पर उसको पेंट किया हुआ होता है. स्फेरिकल मिरर्स इन विच इनवर्ड सर्फेसेस आर पेंटेड आर नोन एज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर्स, and while the spherical mirrors in which outward surfaces are painted are known as concave mirrors. So स्पेरिकल मिरर्स जिस पे इनवर्ड सरफेस, इनर सरफेस पेंट किया हुआ होता है उसको कॉन्वेक्स मिरर कहते हैं, और स्पेरिकल मिरर्स जिस आउटवर्ड सरफेस पेंट किया हुआ होता है उसको हम कॉन्केव मिरर्स कहते हैं. कॉन्केव मिरर्स आर ऑल्सो नोन एज कन्वर्जिंग मिरर. ओके, सो कॉन्केव मिरर्स अदर नेम है कन्वर्जिंग मिरर. ओके, कन्वर्जिंग मिरर मीन्स इट बिकॉज इट कन्वर्ज. Okay, so since the rays converge after falling on the concave mirror, so while the convex mirrors are known as the diverging mirrors, as the rays diverge after falling on the convex mirror. So यहाँ पर convex mirror में जो diverging mirror होता है, mirrors diverge होता है, it will moves outwards. Okay, so for concave mirror it will converge. Okay, so converging mirror is a concave mirror and diverging mirror is the convex mirror. So it is a diverging mirror as the rays diverge after falling on the convex mirror. Okay, so with this we have completed our first worksheet. So worksheet 2 we are going to do in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.